Hi, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to deal with an old tire on an old car using an old tire machine. If you guys ever use one of those, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I think the rim was just kind of corroded here, possibly. The tire held air until it came into a warm garage, so I'll just clean that up and throw her back on and see how we make out. Change out that valve stem too. I think that's the right size. The ultimate question, white walls out, white walls in. Well, white walls out, that's not what I wanted. That was absolutely painful. I could put it on white wall out, but I could not put it on with the white wall in. Anybody got any ideas for that? Why would the tire want to go one way and not the other?